What do you recommend? That looks nice. I think I'll have the same.
Very well, sir.
Wow.
This dish is called khao soi, the noodle with chicken from the north of Thailand.
Wow. So delicious.
This dish is kang tai pla. It's a very spicy curry with fish from the south of Thailand. This is called sen jan phat po,
Wow.
stir-fried rice noodle with crab meat from the east of Thailand. Som tam pu pla ra from northeastern Thailand. This dish is called tom kha gai or chicken coconut soup.
Ahan Thai ต้อง Thai Select